Click the Edit icon on any widget to quickly change its display settings. Update the display mode, such as switching from list view to donut. Click Save. Click Edit Layout to enter the layout editor. Drag the corner of a widget to resize it. Drag the widget body to move it on the dashboard. Click Save. To switch views, click the dashboard name. Select a different profile. Click the More Options button to find additional actions. Select Edit Details to rename your current dashboard. Enter a new name such as Analytics. Click Save. To have a specific dashboard appear every time you log in, click the More Options button again. Select Set as Default. To start from scratch, select Create New Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Fill the information for your new dashboard. Click Save. Drag and drop the widgets you want to customize your new dashboard. Finally, click Save.